Hey everyone! If you've ever dreamed of gliding through the water like a pro, today is your lucky day. Nautical Outdoors is here to share some top swimming techniques that will get you moving confidently in no time. So, grab your goggles and let's dive in. Have you ever watched swimmers slice through the water with effortless grace and wondered how they do it? Well, I'm here to let you in on a little secret. It's all about technique. First up, let's talk about the freestyle stroke, the most popular swimming stroke and your best friend for speed and efficiency. The key here is to keep your body flat and horizontal. Imagine your body as a boat. The more streamlined you are, the faster you'll go. Keep your kicks small and quick to maintain your speed without wasting energy. Next, your arm movement in freestyle is crucial. You want to reach forward with one arm while the other arm pushes the water behind you, almost like you're scooping through the water. Remember, it's all in the rotation. Rotate your body slightly from side to side with each stroke. This not only gives you power, but also helps you breathe more easily. Speaking of breathing, let's tackle that, because I know it can be tricky. The golden rule: never hold your breath. Instead, breathe out gently through your nose when your face is in the water, and turn your head to breathe in quickly and smoothly every 3 strokes. This keeps your body balanced and prevents you from getting too tired. Now, onto the backstroke. Unlike freestyle, this one has you floating on your back. Keep your body as straight as a pencil and let your arms and legs do the work. It's like a reverse freestyle with a sky view. And here's a quick tip. When you're learning, don't be afraid to use a kickboard. It helps you focus on perfecting your kicks or your arm technique one at a time without worrying about sinking. Lastly, practice makes perfect. The more time you spend in the water, the more comfortable you'll become. Start slow, be patient with yourself, and gradually increase your pace and endurance. All right, that's it for today. I hope these tips help you feel a bit more at home in the water. Remember, every champion was once a beginner who never gave up. So keep practicing, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun. See you in the pool.